Alright, so in this video I'm going to be showing you how to make this handle you're seeing in this bag, right? So let's get to it. So I already made 3, and in the next clip I'll show you how to make it. So what you'll be needing is, you just need a D-ring, and yeah, a D-ring. You need your leather, which is around 10 inches height by 2 inches wide. And as you can see, I already labeled that, and you get something like this, right? So you want to get to your machine. Now get a rope to tie some at one of the ends of this stuff, and you use your machine to tack it down, right? So as soon as you're done tacking it down, you take out and just cut out the thread from the machine, and just trim off, so it will be easy to fix into your leather. You'd see what I'm talking about. So that's it. So you have that rope. It's going to help you pull it after you're done sewing. So the next thing you want to do is, you get your fabric which is the hand. Remember, we're using like a 10-inch height by 2 inches wide, although it depends on how long you want the handle to be. So as you can see, just replicate what I'm doing right here, and you take it to your sewing machine and you stitch all the way down. So but before you stitch down, by the time you've like tackled it a bit just from the top, then you pass the that thick stuff, you pass it in. Also note that at the other end of that at the other end of the rope is a needle to help pull it out. So here I just had to apply oil so that it will move freely on my machine. Yeah, so this is what I'm saying. At the other end of the rope that I used to tack is a needle. So you can see what I'm doing. Just pass it in. So which means you don't have to sew all the way down first. You have to make sure that your needle is passed, or whatever it is, is passed. Yeah, then you can now go to sew all the way down. All right, so as soon as you're done sewing on both sides, then I usually like to trim off my thread immediately. You can decide to trim off your thread when you're done. So as you can see, we'll now pass that stuff. I honestly don't know what to call this. You just pass it in. So you see, we already have like an opening in between. You pass it in and use the thread that we passed in to pull it. Make sure you do it gently. So as soon as you're done pulling, you have like a flat space in between at both sides of your leather, as you can see. So you go on to fix your D-ring, and you stitch and you connect to your bag. It's as simple as that. So as you can see, I'm just connecting the D-ring. You just put it in and you stitch on your machine. You do the same thing to the other side and you connect it to your bag. That is all. So do well to like, subscribe, and share so you can stay tuned to other videos. Thank you.